guys, Justin here, and welcome back to some more Penguin Diner 2, my restaurant on day 10 here in Birdland. We still have the green theme on. Last time we got 7 tables, 1 extra table last time, and we're gonna upgrade our chairs very soon. And I will buy the last chef. No, I clicked the wrong thing. Damn it. These tables need to leave it for the lovers when they comes in. Well, there are no lovers right now. That's a lot of dudes. Why is it like non-stop amount of dudes? What the hell? Go to that one. There it is, loverbirds. That's why I leave that open. Oh, I clicked the wrong table again. Oh, there is a lover one. Damn it. We're not going to actually wait. We're just gonna throw them in. Too long for waiting. They just have been served. Oh, we got these guys. This day is not that smooth, actually. We didn't get as much money as I thought I would, compared to the previous days. Now we have these guys to finish, which is okay, actually. The amount went up there after a while here. Nice, done. Now we're going to buy our seats. I think we can also buy our chef. Let's see how much do we need. We still need 2 more stars for this. Everything is bought, and I have my chef. First buy the chairs, 568. Can I buy? No, 2 more. $2 below. Damn it. Oh, we're done already with Birdland. Wow, next stop on the map, and everyone seems friendly enough. Hope they like Penny's cooking. We're at Neo Seal Land. Wow, that's what a pun. Neo Seal Land. Okay, and that's why we're actually going to end this episode right here. Remember to like and subscribe, click the bell so then get notifications when I upload. Next time we're gonna start on Neo Seal Land. Peace.